When I was overweight, I used to love Bounty bars, so I wanted to recreate the taste without all the gluten and sugar. This mug cake will solve all your sugar cravings without any guilt, because it's around 450 calories with 36 grams of protein, and it's sugar-free, gluten-free, and low in carbs. The best part of this mug cake is the coconut butter in the middle. Coconut butter is such an underrated nut butter. It's filled with healthy fats and tastes much better than any other nut butter in my opinion. While your mug cake is cooking, make your 4-ingredient quick chocolate sauce. When your mug cake is cooked, top with your chocolate sauce, garnish with some more coconuts, and enjoy.